is there by this time? Come in. Oh, Princess, you're around?
Yes. I actually asked of you earlier and I was told you went out.
Oh, yes, I am really sorry. No one told me you're around. What about how are you on the royal household?
We are all well. Thank you for asking. So how have you been doing?
I am well. So, tell me, what brings you to our kingdom?
Nothing much. I just came for a visit and I do intend to stay for a while.
Oh, that's good. I hope you enjoy your stay.
Yes, I will. What are you doing?
Work.
Can I help you?
No. Don't worry. It's something I can handle. I just need to concentrate and do it.
Are you trying to say I'm distracting you?
No, I never said so. Just that I need to finish this tonight.
In that case, I'll just say I'll watch you work.
That is even worse. I mean, you staying here watching me while I work, I will not concentrate. I won't be able to finish this up. So I'm really sorry. Please help me, please.
Fine.
Thank God.
Chisom,
Daddy.
where did you say the chef is from?
Which chef? Who gave her chef? Cook or some chef? I don't know. It's the prince that brought her.
You will need to frustrate her very well. Yes, do something very fast. Before you know it, she will leave the palace for you.
Daddy, you're talking as if you do not know who I am. You don't know what I am capable of.
I do.
By the time I'm done with her, she would leave just as the former one did. She wouldn't believe her life. The only problem I'm having now is the princess that will not just stop coming to the palace.
But who is even inviting her?
It's not that useless queen.
No. Don't call her useless queen. Because soon you will be a queen.
That is if they will allow me be queen in peace and stop interfering.
Child, if I had known that our kingdom will prosper like this, I would have discouraged the king from betrothment.
Papa, that is not even my issue. The problem I'm having now is that princess that will not stop coming to the palace. She's always coming every AK market day. She will not stay in her kingdom. Now I'm suffering two things. The useless dumb princess and the illiterate that calls herself a chef. Papa, I'm tired. I am tired.
I think I know what to do. But the good thing is that the prince does not even like her.
Papa, you're trusting men. Men that will stay your white. No, anything can happen. We cannot take that risk. Yes, you need to do something fast. I want to be queen. Or should we kill the princess?
Huh? Clean your mouth. Clean your mouth, I said. Don't you know that killing her will put our kingdom in trouble? And we'll be caught.
Then let her stop coming to the palace. Papa, me, I want to be queen. No? You have to make me be queen.
Calm down. I will do something very, very fast. But on Kibo Madobiko.
Then she should stop coming to the palace every day.
We'll do something.
Do it fast. Do it fast.
Biko Ebu na Mado.
Father, I'm just coming in now and I heard you were looking for me.
Sit down.
Okay.
mean, you went out like this? I mean, dressed like this?
Yes, I did.
You did? Why are you bent on embarrassing this royal household? Huh? Have I not warned you about your dressing mode?
Father, what is wrong with what I am wearing?
Oh, God. Everything is wrong with it. Huh? Even the children of my chiefs would not dress like this.
I don't understand. I'm just coming back from the site. That place is so muddy and dirty. I want to inspect those projects myself.
Then why did we employ engineers for you?
There you go again, Father.
Why didn't you ask one of them to carry out the inspection for you?
I am an architect. I do my inspections myself. But I do not expect me to wear the princess regalia to the site.
You're stuck in trade. Full of excuses. In fact, excuses now your national anthem.
Father, I don't want to believe this is why you were looking for me. Because of my dress code?
Well, I wanted us to discuss the hospital project, you know. But again, your dressing mode is equally important. We need to talk about it.
Well, Father, I need to go upstairs, freshen up, eat, then come down so we can discuss about the project, okay? And not my dress code. Father, please stop that. You know I love you. I love you so much. I'll be back. I'll be right back.
Hi. I wish he would listen to me.
Whose drink is this? Are you deaf? Where are you taking that to? Who owns that juice?
And if I not tell you the person will get her, he go beat me.
Oh, please. Just answer me.
Every time you go the booga, they carry yourself. See, ma tell you, no, na chief of this place you be, oh, not be God. You understand? You not be God, na chief they give you. Nonsense chief where they supposed to tell you say you be thief.
The queen is asking,
anybody like
who owns this wine?
Now prince get her. Aya beat me now.
I will serve you myself. You can continue with what you're doing. Silly lot.
Ashara. Instead of you to tell me, say, now prince, now you want to go front yourself, give. You just they tell, who have this one? Who have this one? This I get time. You don't even know, say you save me stress. You think say me get power to climb step, go give prince Chris a drink. Me where sleep the worry, so me where sleep the cash. I don't even answer one thing. You all come save me, then you talk say, give it to me.
Come in.
You asked for a glass of wine.
Yeah, indeed. Drop it. Thank you.
I drink. Yeah, make a drink now. There was no choice.
What is wrong with you? Why? Why are you standing there like that?
Sorry, Chief. I didn't know you were here.
Have you finished what you're doing?
Yes, Chief. I'm done with the laundry. It's remaining the console.
Go and get busy.
Yeah?
Aside food, gossip, and looking for somewhere to go to, what? What is it?
No, Chief. I only went to I went to.
Just go! Go! Joy, go and get busy and leave me alone. Don't talk to me.
No. No. She can't even let me explain. Only go arrange Prince's room. No, she just they shout. What? They don't even shout now. You just they shout. You know what?
Chief, good afternoon. This one you are still here, you looking for something? I should do something for you.
Did I tell you that I'm looking for anything?
No, you're here, you are still standing here. I passed, I give your man yesterday. I still come back, you are still standing here.
You don't you have another thing better to do other than monitoring me?
I just finished giving water, so I've done the better thing finish.
I don't want you to do anything for me. Do I look like somebody who needs you to do something for her? No. Get out. Get! Witch. Devil.
Hey, what do you want? I'm asking, what do you want and why would you barge into my door without knocking?
No, I knocked though. I knocked. You didn't hear me, sir.
I am lying.
Eh? No, not lying. Oh, it's true. I did not knock. I thought I knocked. I did not knock.
What do you want?
I saw rats. Yes, there's rats in the palace. So I chased it. It ran into your room.
Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Rat where?
It's rats.
Please get out.
Okay, sir. In case you see it, just let me know. Alert me.
Hey, come. Pick up these things. The laundry.
Okay. You sure the rat is not?
Get out!
Okay. Sorry.
What sort of nonsense is this? Can you imagine? Rat where? You're crazy.
Joy! Joy! If I'm moody, Mama, you will treat yourself and you die. Joy! Wake up! Wake up, idiot! Wake up, idiot!
I'm coming.
My dear, I need you to go back to the prince. Please, try again.
My queen, I don't think he wants me.
Why would you even say that? Or is it because of the other time?
Yes. He indirectly asked me to leave his room. I can't possibly go back there.
My dear, you can. And you will. My dear, if need be, seduce him. Oh yes, he's your betrothed after all.
Okay. What if he doesn't really want me?
How would you even say a thing like that? What makes you think he doesn't want you? Have you looked at yourself in the mirror, my dear? You're an epitome of beauty. And no man in his right senses would turn you down. So seduce him, because there's nothing wrong in seducing your man. Do I need to start teaching you what to do? Do I need to tell you everything? Are you a baby?
Okay, my queen. Please excuse me.
You're excused, my dear.
Princess, what are you doing in my room?
Can I spend the night here?
No, you can't. You can't do this.
Why not? I mean, I'm going to be a wife's son, so I can as well do whatever I please with my man.
Hey, please, I beg you, please. You can't possibly be doing this. We are not legally married, okay? And I don't want to take advantage of you. Please understand, please. I'm sorry.
Gosh, I feel so ashamed.
Goodness, that was so close. Henceforth, I think I'll start shutting my door. Henceforth.
We didn't do anything. He just locked his door behind me. He did touch me, and when I tried touching him, it acted as if my hands were filled with thorn. He wouldn't even let me be in his room. Oh, it's so true, my friend. I have never been embarrassed like this in my entire life. Excuse me, please. I would like to be in my room, please. What's wrong with this? Just come over here.
DK! Why can't I open this door?
Oh, what is this now? Huh? What is this girl bent on frustrating my life? Why was she come to my room? Princess!
It's not your mother, not the princess. Open the door, my friend.
What?
DK, what's your problem?
Mother.
What is your problem?
Is that girl not beautiful enough? Oh, Mr. Man, are you sure you're not impotent?
Mother, you are shouting. Bring down your voice.
Shouting? If it means bringing down this palace, then I will. I need answers to my questions. What's the problem?
Fine. She is beautiful, and I'm not impotent. The thing here is, I'm not ready. I just want to know her.
Ah! What do you want to know about her? No, tell me what more you want to know about her that is taking a whole century. What?
But I can't believe you walked into my room by this time to discuss about Princess. Please, go and sleep.
Did I just hear you say sleep? Did you just talk about sleep? How do you want me to sleep? No, tell me, DK, how do you want me to sleep when your madness has taken sleep off my eyes? Huh? You see that young lady? You have to start knowing her now because she is your wife and there's nothing you can do about it.
Goodness, what if I don't love her?
What nonsense love? Who is talking about love here? My friend, be with her for now and love will come later. You hear me? Love would come later. We are only fighting for your future and not love. What nonsense are you doing? Huh? You must stop being uptight. We need grandchildren. Do the needful.
Seriously?
Yes.
By sleeping with her?
If need be, yes, sleep with her. It doesn't matter. After all, she's your betrothed. Sleep with her if need be.
Everything is wrong with it. What are you talking about? I do not want to take advantage of her, that's all.
Fine. You do not want to take advantage of her, right?
Yes.
Very well then. Then get married to her as fast as possible. Yes. DK, can't you see that I'm worried? Your father is worried. The entire community is worried about you. Can you stop this madness and make up your mind for once? What's your problem? Ah!
What kind of a drama is this? What kind of a double jeopardy night is this? Please, I need to sleep and wake up early, please.
You need to see the way the queen is pushing that silly princess to the prince. And that one on the normal, doesn't have sense. She's just following the queen. A shower.
The question is, does the prince like her? The answer is no. That is the most important thing.
Papa, are you the one saying this thing? I've told you times without number to stop saying that. Forget about that thing. You know that girl is a she-goat. She's just giving the prince all her body. And one day that one too will succumb like a he-goat.
I think I know what to do.
Which is?
I will go and see the king and discuss with him.
Will it change anything? That one that is bent on the prince marrying the princess. Pushing. Papa, I am tired, honestly. I am tired. I'm very tired. Me that by now, I'll be dressing the way I want, elegantly, moving with guards and maids, being the way I want. No, I'm still battling.
Aye.
Unless you don't want to answer now, Queen.
May the gods forbid.
Better.
Better. You will be the future queen of this kingdom. The prince must marry you.
Yes. He must marry me and I must be queen. That is final, simple and short.
what can I offer you?
Oh, Your Majesty, not now. Not now. What brought me to your house is very, very important.
Really?
Yes, Your Majesty.
So, what can be so important that you want to give me the opportunity to entertain you?
Your Majesty, is about the prince. I want to know if he has finally made up his mind.
Oh no, I will not deceive you. He hasn't.
Your Majesty, something needs to be done very fast. Because the rumor in the village is all about the prince. We need to do something. And I don't know how you will feel. I wanted to suggest something. I don't know how you will see it.
Oh no. As it stands right now, any good suggestion will suffice. So go ahead and suggest.
Your Majesty, you know there's this common saying that you can take the horse to the stream, but you will not force it to drink the water.
Oh no, that is a common proverb that everybody is aware of. What I can't get now is what you're driving at. Hit the nail on the head.
If the prince does not like his betrothed, we have other beautiful maidens in our kingdom. And with different sizes, and you know what I mean. Some of them came from rich and respected family. Why can't he choose from them?
Oh no. I am surprised that you of all people will say this. Yes, you know what is at stake. The relationship between Mbanifu and I has come a long way. We were childhood friends. The union between our children will further solidify that. It's going to help my kingdom. And you know that. Why are you saying this? Oh no, you of all people?
Your Majesty, I understand where you are coming from and where you are going to. But we don't have time. There's no time. We need to do something to shut the mouth of the villagers. We need to do something. Don't guard the rose.
Oh no, the concern of the villagers is the least of my problem. Yes, what my concern is all about is my friendship with Ubanifu and the benefit it will accrue for our kingdom. Okay?
It's all right.
My love, give me this. If you love me, give me this one thing that I ask of you now.
No, my mother will kill me.
How would she know? Are you going to tell her? See, you're a smart lady. You understand? I can even take you to Okafor's chemist. He would mix medicine for you sharp.
Don't forgive me. No, you are a thief. You are a criminal. You are a thief from the dungeon. Yeah? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? You're not supposed to be in the palace. So the small money you are being paid in the palace, oh yeah, you want to use it now to go and be following man?
No.
So now man you won't follow with this small money? Instead of it to help your mama, your poor mama, when you go gather money help, you don't use that to follow man. Man, I tell you. All these small boys when they fry their hair, they don't get anything when they bring on table except that thing when they in between their leg. Once they don't reach that thing, they are poor. Everything is over. Now you go carry everything. 5 minutes enjoyment, everlasting mistake. I dey tell you the truth. 5 minutes enjoyment, everlasting mistake. Now you go carry am. They go you comot their something. Your own, now you go carry big belle. Now you go carry disgrace. Now you go suffer. Get sense. This my gender wanna get sense. Okay, go inside.
Madam, wait, madam. Who call you for this matter?
Na me you talk.
That thing where you supposed give me, you go give me am now.
Fear no dey catch you.
You go try open
Una no
leg.
get elder for una village. You no get that sister.
Na English wey this.
Anything will make you touch me again, you no go like me.
Madam.
Wait, leave me. Leave me. Now me they say one do it. Eh? I go beat you. I go beat you. I do go. You know me. I do go. Come on, leave me alone. Are you okay? See,
you get I for beat you.
Hey. I for beat you. You get lost. Next time try me.
Shut up your mouth. We made you go to the market.
Why you try me again? No, my principal, leave me make a
No.
Can't quiet this boy on. Can't quiet. Yet in Pakurupan. Now you say a prayer.
Enter the car.
See, if not for one thing, guy, I would have beaten you black and blue.
Can you go inside? Oh my God.
You want to remove? You're a madman. I don't fear you. I don't fear you, man. I don't fear you. Who you be? I don't fear you.
This boy wants to ruin my friendship of many years. What is wrong in marrying Ubanifu's daughter? Is she not pretty enough? What more is he looking for? Look at how all eyes are on my family because of him. And rejecting one's betrothed can cause hatred between two kingdoms, hereby leading to war at some point. Why won't he just marry her and let me rest? He keeps forgetting that he cannot be crowned king without an heir. How else will I make him understand that he needs to start now? Every day, same story. No. This boy will not drag my name through the mud as a king who cannot control his son. I have to do something, and fast. I do not have time.
What kind of nonsense is this? I don't get it. Wait. You want to kill that man, right?
Not be me. Not be me starter. I ain't first starter. Now the man I first starter. Yes. My own. I ain't starter.
You were supposed to go to the market and you're here beating up a man. It's alright.
I'm not beat up anybody. Now I ain't go. Now I ain't starter. I beg, my prince, stop me for this junction. Now here, make I enter keke for this junction. I beg, stop.
I am not stopping.
Stop.
No. Hey.
Stop,
we are going together to the market.
Eh?
Yes.
No, stop. I'm not fit. No. Me, I don't fit go market, my prince. Stop me for this junction.
That is final. We are going together.
My prince, I don't fit go market with you. Now, guys, hi, Jesus.
You see what you're doing?
My prince, sorry, my prince, stop me, I beg.
See. I don't want to leave you here, so you not go to the market and start beating the market women. I would not accept that. Okay?
Hey, Jesus. Which kind of world is this one? Oh, Jesus.
So you better relax. We are going together.
But see. Hey, my prince, now you come first past me now. Which kind of world are you said?
You're so annoying. Must you fight?
I know finally the man starts. Hey, God.
So what happens to you ignoring these things?
How I ignore who start trouble? They ignore who start trouble.
Anyway, all I know is that we're going to the market together. That's final.
Hey, Jesus.
What kind of a girl is this? Must she fight every person she meets? On the road? Anywhere? I don't get this. Even at the market, she is fighting because of price. No. This... I must do something about this.
And where is the chef? She's not yet back from the market. It is morning. Yes, chef.
Wait. So if I didn't follow you to the market, this is how you're going to end up beating every woman in the market because of the inflation on foodstuff price.
My priest, you no go understand. Now you they talk this thing. You don't go understand. Those people, they make person invest. All these women where they market, they always put price for things.
And I ask again, must you fight?
I not fight at the best. How poor people want to survive for this country? Person where God just suffer. God man tell you, God suppose hold rain. If not so, God got a selfish give us now. Once anything just happen, they say government to inflation. Before you know, farmer don't increase everything. How person go put price for ugu? Ugu where he plant for grant, where he plant for farm. God allow photosynthesis to China. As in photosynthesis China finish.
It's called photosynthesis.
As the synthesis come China finish, you come pluck am, come carry am come market, come dey put money, say na government put inflation. How? Come on, Ugu.
You know, sometimes I like your guts, actually. And I think I like you. Yes, I do.
Welcome, my prince.
Welcome, my prince.
Get a taste for food.
Welcome, chef.
How are you? How you doing? First, collect this waiting. One a day there they leave. Now no fear person collect this. Na dey there. One a pass so. One a suffer I beg go. One a not already thing no small. Small na make better money they take buy this thing. Wetin make you wan carry use your hand? Only you as you be like I think that you wan carry bag of rice. Collect palm oil wey be your size. Now they fast they go. Oga, you notice say they talk just now. Say make one person no carry bag of rice. Now two persons suppose they collect bag of rice. Mona softly.
This girl entered the prince's car. She entered his car. Something I'm supposed to be doing.
Mona wash the car where we pass poto full am. Make una wash am there till dey go. I don't tell yourself Mona wash poto full am.
This girl has taken over the prince. My father is doing nothing about it. Oh God. I should just poison this girl and let her eat and die. I just die. So how can she be with the prince? I'm supposed to be my thing. After all, she cooks in the kitchen. Nobody will suspect. Papa, you need to do something. That girl is threatening and frustrating me uninstead.
I must confess, my daughter, that issue is not really important. It's not a problem.
Papa, it is so. It is an issue. She has started entering the prince's car, so it is.
Don't think of that one. You know the prince is naturally good. The other day, he gave me a ride. So don't think of that he's carrying her in his car. Now no.
Okay. Papa, are you a woman?
No.
That is the more reason why you should do something. That is more reason why you should get to work. Papa, if I later become a queen, Eh? Hey, I will trace that useless chef to wherever she came from. And I will frustrate her life. In fact, I will chase her and her entire family out of this kingdom. Definitely she cannot be in this kingdom when I'm queen. It's not possible.
Good. Monitor that chef. Monitor every of her movements. Like you said, frustrate her out of that kitchen back to her people. How? Huh?
How will I do it? How?
I say frustrate her. Deal with her very well. And ask him how.
Papa, you are not understanding this whole thing and it's just annoying. But sometimes you are annoying me too.
Oh, you make me understand now.
That girl's skin is hard. I have done everything. She's not shaking. She's not moving. She's not, as in I have done everything to frustrate her life. She has a thick skin.
But let me tell you, you can still win her. We need to come up with something so that she will go back to wherever she came from. Also, my skin, yeah? Huh? Don't worry. I will do something.
Okay. The problem is she's always in the kitchen. I'm sure all this while you've been coming, you've not seen her, Abi.
For one day, I put to be me.
Yes, that is because she's always in the kitchen. She will never leave the kitchen. Winch! Devil!
You just reminded me something now. Do you know I have never come to that palace and see her?
Okay.
Maybe offer more jar.
Which?
Hi! I will want you to frustrate her very well. Do everything to make her leave that kitchen and go back to her people.
Ise.
Oh, princess. Oh, I never knew you were still around.
Yes, but I'm leaving. Just came to tell you.
All right, that's nice. Please take good care of yourself and send me well to the royal family.
Okay. I'll take my leave.
All right. Take care of yourself.
Thank you.
Dear, do you really have to leave? Must you go?
Yes, my queen. I have to go. My father, the king, sent for me.
Well, it's all right. Have you told my son that you're leaving?
Yes, my king. But
I understand, okay? I understand. It's okay.
It's all right. Tell your father that I'll be coming with my people to see him very soon.
okay, my king.
Take very good care of yourself and expect us very soon.
Thank you, my friend.
You're welcome. Drive safely, okay? Did you really mean what you said?
Come on. You know me. I don't say what I don't mean.
Thank you very much, my husband. I'm
Just
happy.
Look at her.
Very beautiful.
Look at the elegance. Wow.
She would make a very good wife.
She fits our son very well. Very well.
You're here.
Yes.
Wait. I do go.
Yes, my prince.
Do you know how to play Ludo?
Very well.
Okay. Please join me. I'm bored. So I've been playing all by myself. I want you to play with me. No. Don't worry. You have nothing to worry about. I invited myself. Okay?
Yeah, please.
Come on, play with me.
Yeah.
Yes. No one has ever beaten me in this game.
My please, if I play enough with you, you go cry. You. That nobody they play game with me. Or they tell you, and they beat anybody hands down.
I'm sure it's not easy. Come on, go and get the chair. Let's.
Hey.
But how can you?
65. Hey, Chama. Kawa. Itawa.
Wait. How can you win 4 in a row now?
I tell you, say this my hand. Na 65 full am. Na 60 full my hand. Once I do tower, anything make me do. Hey, easy na. Na 65.
Okay. Let's play another one. Okay, I'm very sure I'm going to win you this time.
No, I won't go cook. They done that. I won't go cook. They done that.
Let's play now.
No, I won't go fit play again.
No. This time, no rules. No rules this time.
No, I won't go. It's late. Don't be late. When I go. Because no people don't employ me for this house to come dey play. Now food, they say man come cook.
All right. I'm going to allow you to go on one condition.
Which is?
After cooking, you come back, we continue. Deal.
Deal, I go come back.
Good.
I go come back. Yeah, I go come for your room. They done that.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Bye.
All right.
I have fallen in love, fallen in love, fallen in love with you, baby. I'm madly in love with you, fallen in love, baby. Fallen in love with you, baby. Yes, I said I've fallen in love with you, fallen in love, fallen in love with you, baby. Oh, I'm madly in love with you, fallen in love, fallen in love with you, baby. I'm helplessly in love with you, my dear. I'll be more. Everyone sees you as just a cook, but I'm seeing you as my future queen. Oh, get more, my future queen, my everything. Oh, baby, more. Every moment I'm with you, glad is my heart. Please give me a little time to prove my love to you. I have fallen in love, fallen in love, fallen in love with you, baby. I have fallen in love, fallen in love, fallen in love with you, baby. I am madly in love, fallen in love, fallen in love with you, baby. I'm madly in love with you, falling in love, falling in love with you, baby. I have fallen in love, fallen falling in love with you, baby. I have fallen in love, falling in love, falling in love with you, baby. I am madly in love, falling in love, falling in love with you, baby.
Shit. Oh, wow, that was so fast. You should have at least waited for me to see her before she leaves. Oh my goodness. Each strand of her hair smells so good. The fragrance is so unique. She's so beautiful in and out. She completes me. I don't want this to stop. I want to have her over and over again.
Papa, you need to see how two of them are playing. They came down from the car laughing. He even helped her carry things she bought from the market because I'm sure they went to the market together. Hey! Ludo, they play Ludo together. He laughs at her. Something he has never done with me before. Papa, check this thing and you say my own has not finished.
I can never agree that your own is finished. Your own can never finish. My problem now is that, so you don't know where the family that cook or whatever came from?
Am I a witch? How am I supposed to know where she came from? I told you I don't know.
Hey, Adibi, you know where she came from or the family she came from. I should have known what to do. Huh?
Papa, you need to do something. Papa, you need to hasten up. Eh? Can you imagine? They slept together. Yes! The prince slept with that chef. There's nothing you want to tell me. She has collected him from me.
I don't think the prince is like that. I don't so.
How did you know? Are you inside him? Is he not a man? Men that will stain your white.
But if he does, it's like every other man now do to girls. Call Parental now.
What is he paying? What is he taking that he has not seen inside me? Eh? What does he want that I cannot give him?
Maybe you are not putting enough effort. It is seduce here. Now. Like those girls. Those girls come there in the maybe you're
Papa, huh? Do you want me to walk around the palace naked before he notices me? Even if I walk around naked in the whole palace, Papa, where do I have the chance to do that? If I am not battling the queen that is pushing down Mumu to him, I am battling the cook in the kitchen that will not just let me be. Papa, how?
My daughter, just calm down. All I know is that she cannot take the prince from you. Yes. Okay, Amelia.
Papa, you better do something. You better do something before I just get angry and poison all those girls and kill all of them.
Take that off from your head. Ibu Mado. Let me tell you, every wind in this kingdom, they all have ears. Ichokam. Do you want to put you and I in trouble? Huh? Biko, don't kill anybody. I know what to do and I will do it very fast.
And do it quickly.
Oblo maka prince. Onge one with prince.
Do it quickly. Do it quickly. I'm going before the queen starts looking for me.
Just like that?
Yes.
Nothing for your father?
Nothing for today.
Hi. Eben fogine nwobi anwo. Ngwanu ka ode? Ah, okun ka ya.
I do get stubborn chef. She no send anybody. No matter who you be, she go fight you. I do get stubborn chef.
Help me carry this food, go give Prince upstairs, please.
Yeah, Sai. I would have roughed to help you, but our Queen Mother, you are my stick. Say I should bring water in the grass crop.
Also.
So what do you do?
It's okay.
Oh, you carry go, they don't go beat you, yeah?
Jewezi no be going.
Yeah, carry go, yeah? They will not beat you, yeah? Let me go and give Queen Mother.
Thank you very much. You know you are my friend. And Choma, please. I want to beg you for something. Promise me you will do it.
I promise.
Cross your heart.
I cross my heart.
As this oath we are taking, you will not disappoint.
I will not disappoint.
Choma, I want you to help me take this food to the prince's room.
Food? Now why they beg me like that? You're my friend, I'll do it now. Why you force this stress yourself? Sure? Make I go now.
Choma, the kind God they go bless you now from the 14th heaven, he go take up down, bless you. What in the name of kindness is this, Choma? Hi.
Come in.
Good day, my friend.
Where is the chef?
She's busy. Do you need something else, my prince?
Nothing. Don't worry. You can go. What's going on? Why didn't she serve this food herself?
Mama, so a bit since so. The thing don't tire me. Since then, I just dey hide from the prince. I no even want to see him. My hide and seek, I just dey do. I no dey even go give am food. I just dey avoid anything wey concern am since.
My pikin, this matter no small. From everything wey I hear, wey you talk here, e be like say you sef, you like the prince.
Mama, no be that one. No be say I like the prince or not. That one no follow. Everybody like the prince. The prince na better person. Again, we no go like am.
I know say everybody like the prince. Na better person he be. I better no dey talk about everybody. Na you are dey talk about. You just dey careful. Na him be my own. I no go tell you make you follow am or make you no follow am. Just be very careful.
Mama, anything wey concern palace, I won't come on my hand. Me, I no want trouble. I dey avoid trouble. I mean am. I dey use all my body to avoid trouble.
My pikin, just be very careful. This girl wey dey look for your trouble, I beg. Anytime when you see her, make you dey run from her.
Who?
Make you dey run away from her now.
Me? Adugo. Hey. Ada. Me go run away from my fellow woman. I kiss Chris. Say what's happen. Now she go run away from me. She dey crazy. Mama, I beg. That get too small for us to discuss about. May you don't leave that way. May you carry a way crazy. They come up for you.
My pikin. Now which one be weary? Where you dey hear all this language from?
Ma worry now, worry like person and worry. You understand? He just be worry together. Worry now. Why you gonna look me like that? You know.
I know what thing be worry. As in worry.
Worry na worry.
Everyone there is one.
Good afternoon, my prince.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm very fine, sir.
Where is the chef?
She's in the kitchen. She's washing, she's mopping, she's washing the plate, she's cooking, and she's...
Go to the kitchen and tell her that I want to see her.
Right now?
Yes.
Okay. My prince, I can cut your nails, I can comb your hair. Is there anything you want me to do?
Go to the kitchen and tell the chef to come right away.
Okay. My prince, make I come back with that. Sorry, sir. Sorry, Your Majesty.
Adugo, did I do anything wrong to you?
No, my prince. You won't do anything.
So for how long are you going to avoid me?
For long as you avoid me, I go avoid you. I don't want to stay. I know they avoid you, my prince. The thing be say, are they busy? Are they busy for kitchen since? I know they see chance can't give you food again.
You are busy. I see.
My prince, I beg, no verse. No verse. I don't want to enter trouble for this palace. Man, just tell you the truth. I don't want to enter your mama and your papa trouble. Now, work I can't work for here. No be man I come follow. If something they hold you say you want to throw away or something, and you define woman where you want you stay do example. Don't be me. Just go outside go find that girl. You understand? Me bring them come here. This your bed now by mistake say I land from top. I no go do am again.
Hey, come on. There's no mistake anywhere. I love what we did. There's no wrong with it. See, I'm beginning to love you, and I'm beginning to develop feelings for you.
God forbid, but in then you make mistake. Develop feelings for who? God forbid.
Is it wrong?
I beg you, God forbid. It's wrong now. It's wrong to develop feelings for me. By this time, now you develop feelings. I reject it. No try again.
Are you serious?
Yes, no talk am again. I beg. I get what I do for you. No, I don't want.
I don't go.
Feelings for me. I beg.
Alright, so let's see how it goes. So long you're in this palace, I'll get you. I don't know why my heart skips whenever I see her. You can't avoid me, right?
See, worry you. Why they behave like a witch? What are you doing in the person's room? They monitor me. Let me monitor your spirits. Eh? Which one they monitor me up and down? You know their work. Abugo, your place is in the kitchen, not in his room. High BP now will kill you. As you know their work, you go by me. Why don't they follow me up and down? Shut up. Don't get out of here. Don't get work. They go in and be coming. Every day for the tea boy. Every day for the man. Hold on. And you said, you. This girl.
Father, you sent for me.
Of course I did. How is it?
Father, is everything okay?
Yes, everything is fine. I just want to inform you that we'll be visiting King Kumbani for my friend day after tomorrow.
Oh, that's Prince Amanda's father.
Oh, yes.
Is everything okay in their kingdom?
Of course, everything is fine. You know, we are going there actually to pay the bride price of Princess Amanda.
Princess Amanda? What bride price are you talking about? Well, good luck to the person that wants to pay the bride price, because I know certainly it is not me.
Really?
Yes.
If not you, is it me? Come on, son. We've been waiting for you for so long to make up your mind. But since you are too maybe young to make that decision, your mother and I have decided to make that decision for you.
Father, with all due respect, how could you? It is bad enough to know that you betrayed a woman to me without my consent. Now you're forcing me to get married to her. No, Father, I cannot.
What do you mean you cannot? We've been waiting for so long. Listen, you know, the relationship between King Ubanifo and I is a strong one. We've built this relationship over the years. Marrying the daughter will further solidify that relationship. And of course, you know, it's going to improve the economy of our kingdom.
Father, I am not a sacrificial lamb. I cannot marry her. I don't like this girl. Let alone talking about marriage. For what?
Whose fault? That poor girl has been coming to this kingdom, to this palace, and you refuse to know her. I mean, if you had taken your time to know her, by now you would have been in love with her. So, it's not her fault. You just have to marry her regardless.
Father, please, what does that tell you? I have refused to know her. What does that tell you? Simply means I don't love her. I don't have any connections with her. I don't like her. I don't love her.
Did you say love? That you don't love her? Let me educate you about love. Love is developed. People don't just fall in love. Like I said, if you had gotten close to her, you would have fallen in love with her by now. So my son, you have 2 days to fall in love. 2 days.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
No, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Please sit. I am sorry for keeping you waiting. I was actually busy upstairs. Okay.
It's okay, my king. You don't look bright. I hope everything is okay.
Nothing I can't handle. Okay. So, how's your family?
As you can see, Your Majesty, we're doing good. It's only the economy that is beating us. And we're also beating it too.
Listen, you are not alone. It's everywhere. Yes. Like you said, it's beating us and we are beating it.
Yes.
I actually sent for you. And the reason is to make you inform the cabinet members that next tomorrow we shall be going to King Banifo's kingdom to pay the bride price of his... Oh, are you okay? Bring water, water!
No. I'm fine, Your Majesty. You know my problem? I have not taken this type of wine before, so I was rushing it. Please. Please pardon my manners.
Look, you scared me.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. Let it not be said that a king, a prominent king like me, killed his own with a foreign drink.
Far be it from you.
Okay, just take it easy next time, okay? So, as I was saying, I need you to inform the cabinet members. Include some prominent members of our kingdom, both male and female, so that we can go and pay the bride price of King Ubanifo's daughter for my son, the prince, okay?
Wow, this is good news, even though it's coming so soon that we are not even expecting it. But thank the gods that the prince has finally accepted.
Oh no. Does he have a choice? Huh? I am his father, and he cannot disobey me. Okay?
That's good.
Yes.
But the thing there is, Your Majesty, you know how sudden the good news is. Before we can gather everybody together, it will take like a week or 2 weeks. So I will create your indulgence, Your Majesty, to extend this marriage a little. Okay? Because now I believe that some of them might have traveled. Some are not around. So, okay, let's push it a little bit,
I'm shocked that you are the one saying this. You are among those that have been pressuring me to get my son, the prince, a wife. Now I've made up my mind, we'll fix a date, you are pushing for an extension. No, I will not ship that date. Okay? So make sure you get the people, the cabinet members and the prominent members of our kingdom. Next tomorrow we are going to pay the bride price, and that is final.
It's okay, Your Majesty. Let me rush now, and start telling the people, because no gathers.
Why the rush? Look at your drink. You've not finished it. Huh?
Your Majesty, this is not time for drinking. I so much trust you. I trust you so much. I know that very day there will be enough to eat and to drink. So know that they will move on my.
You know how to get me.
No, but you see, I know what will happen that day. I know. We'll have enough to eat and to drink.
Hey, greet your family.
Okay. I should sit down and drink when there is fire on the mountain. I should be drinking and watch everything that I have been planning with my daughter be in vain. My rights to become now queen in future, no, never. It cannot happen. I must do something, and I must do it fast and now. Yes, drink can wait. I will drink enough once my daughter married to your son, that your stubborn son, that cannot see a beautiful girl standing right in his front, that your useless boy. I must do something.
I do go. Stubborn cheerful. She no send anybody. No matter who you be, she go fight you. I do go. Stubborn cheerful. She no send anybody. No matter who you be, she go fight you. She fine no. An auntie Adirokwa, Odi Anife. She fine no. An auntie Adirokwa, Odi Anife. I do go put a biggie. Your temper dey hot. I do go take it easy. Your temper dey hot.
My prince. My prince.
is ready. It's getting right on time. My water. Smells nice. Good aroma. Okay.
Wow.
Yes.
So these are the fabrics I selected against the lab. What do you think?
It's nice.
I think you should take.
I'll be back.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. Just having some. I don't know.
Are you sure you're fine?
Yes, okay, I'm fine. Yeah, you were saying?
Are you sure?
Yes, yes.
So I was thinking you should use this one with that your what? Are you okay?
I'm fine.
What's going on?
I'm fine. Let's
Nurse,
Yes, sir.
did you add the antibiotic to the drip I told you?
Yes, doctor.
Is it still remaining?
Yes, doctor.
Alright. When this one finishes, please place him on another drip. Make sure you add the antibiotic.
Okay, doctor.
Do you understand?
Yes, doctor.
Once you are done, come to my office with his file.
Okay, doctor.
Doctor, how is he doing? Is he getting any better?
Your Majesty, he's getting better. But please, see me in my office before you leave.
I will, doctor.
Nurse.
Doctor, what exactly happened to my son?
Your Majesty,
Yes, doctor.
it was food poisoning.
What? Food poison? Who would want to poison my son?
It was found in what he took.
But doctor, my son doesn't eat outside the palace.
Your Majesty,
Yes, doctor.
you should understand that food poisoning can happen to anyone. Thank God you brought him here on time. He only loses strength, but with time he will regain his strength. Moreover, food poisoning is not only found in food,
it can also be found in fruits and vegetables as well. But please, make sure all the food he eats are prepared in a clean environment and endeavor to watch his fruits before eating. You understand, Your Majesty?
Thank you very much, Doctor.
One more thing. We'll be here for now for further observation before he can be discharged.
Thank you very much once again. I appreciate it.
Ah, Father.
Welcome home, son. Thank you. So, how are you feeling now?
I'm recuperating very fast.
It's fine. Please take him inside so that he can rest properly.
Father, I'm not a child. I'm getting better.
Come on. Wow. Yeah. Sweetheart,
Majesty.
how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Oh.
But I was really scared, Your Majesty. The whole thing was so scary.
I was scared myself, okay? But we thank God that you were inside with him when it all happened. If not, what would he be doing by now?
I really thank the gods for Your Majesty. But I'm sure he must have learned his lessons now. But, Your Majesty, I strongly believe this whole thing is not from this palace. I believe it must be from something he must have eaten outside. Because who?
Well, it's all right. The good thing is that he's okay now. He's getting better, right? I'm sure he has learned his lessons, and he wouldn't eat or drink outside anymore.
You're right, Your Majesty. But you know, your son, he could be stubborn at times. That we know. But definitely not when it has to do with his health. You know.
Don't worry, he's a good boy, okay? Let's go.
Daddy, where the pampa? Daddy. My daddy for life.
Okay, give me the gist now.
It went smoothly. It was nice.
Wait, did you put a little as instructed by me or everything?
Daddy, I added all.
Hi.
I added everything. Please, I need them to spend like a week or two in the hospital. With the kind of belly that Prince has, he will purge for only one day and come back and Kasala go boss.
You know you are my daughter.
Yes.
I gave that to you.
Yes.
Papa Momoge. Eh?
Like father, like daughter.
Wham. Let me see how they will marry. Nonsense people.
I have rested. Marriage this or marriage that or wedding this. My ear is now calm from all those marriage shenanigans.
Honestly, this
and
is
there's something I noticed too. That chef and the prince, they are no longer talking.
But I told you now. Huh? I told you that the prince can never stoop low to marry or to even date a common cook, ordinary cook.
My daddy to the world. My daddy is always right. Daddy, now I will possess my possession. Possess it well.
My future queen.
Call me that again.
My future queen.
Call me again.
My future queen.
Now queen.
Now
queen.
Hey!
You go and tell my mother the good news.
Come here. Tell who?
Mommy.
Are you okay? But you know your mother, that she does not like that kind of a thing.
It's true.
I don't want argument. Everything. Let everything finish. Testimony.
You know, that mom will come and start preaching from, you know, she can preach for Africa. Do this one, don't be like this, is it not good?
Anyway, she went to the market. She's not even at home. As
if nail queen is not sweet in her ear.
She loves that more than me self.
Abi.
Majoa.
Abi. She'll not allow us to carry out the play. Now, Queen!
My future queen.
Now, Queen. Why didn't you go to the market?
Are you the one asking? My hand. You know what happened now? You promised to send me money so that I will buy the big tank.
I will send you double.
You can say that again.
I will send you triple.
I
will send you triple. My daughter, you will buy that tank 5.
Hey,
you will buy
business.
It.
Business.
Let me you get my day.
See, I want to correct an impression. She is not my wife. Yes. Now tell me, apart from cooking, what would you have become?
Apart from cooking, what would I have become? I for become cooking. Now still cooking I won't become.
No, I mean if you weren't cooking, what?
If I weren't cooking now, cooking I go see the cook. Now restaurant I want own, and they can't push what I want. My own big restaurant where people call the chop. People like you, big men of caliber, you know, call the order assorted. Jaguar, you understand? You see all those things. Boys, I go get boys and girls so they work for me.
Okay. Second question.
My name will be Adugo's Kitchen.
Adugo's Kitchen. Alright, the second one is this. If I wasn't a prince, would you have ended up with someone like me?
If you wasn't a prince, whether I go end up with you? What I want use you do if you don't be prince? Of what use are you to me? Are they kiss case where I go there with you if you don't be prince? Ha! Now money be fine, boy. Without money, nothing they play. You need to show me money, I go to see her. What I want to do with a man when you don't get pepper. So if you not be prince, you say me for the year with you. I kiss Chris.